How to fix Google Play Music couldn't add the song to the library problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix Google Play Music couldn't add the song to the library problem. So guys, for this you have to go to your phone settings, and then you can see here install apps. Click on install apps and then go to Google Play Music. And guys, now you can see here force stop button. Click on force stop and press OK. And then you can see here storage. Click on storage and then you have to clear all the data here. Now go back and you can see app permission. Click on app permission and you have to allow all the permission here. Now guys, go back, restart your phone and reopen the application. The problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.